Bayar ka na.
First of all, belated birthday. Welcome to a new chapter of your life with love, adventure, and possibilities. May your journey into adulthood be as amazing as you are. I'm so proud to be your mother. We love you beyond measures, and it's honor to be your parents. Thanks for giving me so much to be proud of you. Nothing in my life has made me prouder than watching you grow into an incredible person. No matter how old you are, you'll be our baby girl. Never be afraid of failure. It's how we eventually succeed. You're enough always. Be yourself no matter where you are or who you're with. Remember how much we love you. I love you, Trixie. Bye.